My name is Nayak Kumar Ramesh Sundaswar. Today we are going to learn about coordinate geometry. Means here combination of algebra as well as geometry. So first of all, the formula for distance between 2 points, that is A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Instead of AB, if you take PQ, then here instead of AB PQ, that is distance between point A and B, it is always positive, that's why we are taking square. If here you take instead of y-axis, then it will be interchange, but I am taking first x-axis, so that is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. But sometimes according to statement, AB is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square square root. Now friends, section formula. Section formula means the coordinate of point A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, and point P you take anywhere between point A and B. So I am taking here point P, its coordinate is xy. So the measure of line segment, that is ratio of AP, is equal to m1, and the ratio PD, that measure is m2. So according to distance formula, xy is equal, if it is towards from point A, then we first take m1 x2 plus m2 x1 whole upon m1 plus m2. Now for y coordinates, m1 y2 plus m2 y1. In some books, instead of m1 m2, it is mentioned that n and n. Again, if you see this thing, then here how many variables are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 variables are there. So out of that, if you want to apply application of linear equation, then 7 variables value must be given directly or indirectly. If the points lies on the x-axis, then its coordinate is x, 0. If the points lie on the y-axis, then its coordinate is 0, y. And if the points lies on the coordinate at the center, that is intersecting of point x and y, it is known as origin, then it is known as 0, 0. So it's depend on the sum. Now, if it is mentioned that towards point B, means now if it is towards from B, then here we take section, this section first. So xy is equal to m2 x1 plus m1 x2 whole upon m1 plus m2. For coordinate y, m2 y1 plus y1 m1 y2 whole upon m1 plus m2. But in some condition, the point P become midpoint of line segment A and B. So the distance between, that is distance from A to P, is equal to P to B, means the ratio, that is m1 is equal to m2, that is known as midpoint formula. So for midpoint formula, that is xy. This ratio remaining same, that is known as x1 plus x2 whole upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 whole upon 2. Now we are going to seek the sum. Find the coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment whose endpoints are A 4, 3 is known as x1 y1, B 6, 5 it is known as x2 y2, and P is known as x1 y1. So according to midpoint formula, xy is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. We substitute the value of x1, y1, x2, y2. So we get that 4 plus 6 whole upon 2, 3 plus 5 whole upon 2. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 upon 2, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 upon 2. If we reduce it, then xy is equal to 5 upon 5 and 4. So coordinate of midpoint, that is x, y, is equal to 5 and 4. Now we take second example with the help of section formula. In section formula, the coordinate of A is x1, y1 is 3, 2. Coordinate of B, x2, y2 is -2, -5, and the ratio m1 upon m2 is 3 is to 2. So according to section formula, x comma y is equal to m1 plus x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus x2 y1 y2 plus m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So according to substitution method again, the value we have to substitute, so we get that m1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to -2, m1 is equal to 2 and x1 is equal to 3. Same way we replace the value of m1, y1, m2, y2. So at the end of simplification, 3 2s are 6, positive, negative, negative, 3 2s are 6, 6 upon 5, that is -6 plus 6 upon 5. 5 3s are 15, but positive, negative become negative, take care of this thing, 2 2s are 4 upon 5. So it is x comma y is equal to 0 upon 4 comma 11 upon 5. It is 0, that is 0 upon any number, answer is 0, comma -11 upon 5. So the coordinate of the section point, that is P, is equal to x comma y is equal to 0 comma 11 -11 upon 5. Thank you for watching this video.